Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen, and in our video today we are going to make this coleslaw. How to make it, we will see how the demonstrations are. It is a very simple and quick and easy recipe, and it tastes exactly similar to KFC, but it is not. The only differences is KFC uses mayonnaise which contains egg, and this is egg free by using sour cream. So let us see what are how to make the ingredients and how to make the whole process with the ingredients. So let's get into the kitchen. Hello viewers, in our recipe today we are making coleslaw. It is similar to KFC coleslaw, but there are some differences. This is egg free. KFC coleslaw contains egg, and so I am not going to use anything that is contain egg. So we are going to do this coleslaw without adding eggs. So the ingredients are a quarter cabbage, which is the primary ingredient that we use for the coleslaw, and I have cut quarter cabbage, as you can see here, and I chose a small carrot that I'll be cutting them into small pieces or grating them, and also some salt and sour cream. So let's see how this has been made. Our first step to make this salad, I am going to add half a tub of this sour cream. Half a tub is more than sufficient. If you like more, you can add more. It's all self-preference. And with this, I will add a little bit of salt. I don't need much. And we will whisk it. Always start with the first speed for a minute or 30 seconds, then increase the speed. When I look at the quantity, I believe I may need more, but if I need more, I'll whip it and then I'll add it together. Coleslaw is the whipping of the sour cream is ready. adding in the ingredients. First, I shall add the carrots. And give a quick mix. At this stage, I'm adding the chopped cabbage. And dear viewers, our coleslaw is ready. So I'm going to transfer this into a different dish and I will see you in a minute. And hello viewers, and this is our coleslaw that we have done, and it is similar to the taste of KFC, but the difference is KFC uses mayonnaise which contains egg, and this is an egg-free by using sour cream. And I wish that you will try this coleslaw in your home and let me know in your comments, and plus chill it first for a few hours before you serve it. It is a lot of cutting, don't worry, just give your best. You may grate the carrots and you may grate the cabbage too. And for those who have been faithfully following me in my channel, thank you very much for your faithfulness. And those who are new, welcome to the channel. And also please like the channel and subscribe. And also for those who don't like it, you may comment your reason. What is your reason? And I will look into it. Thank you very much for being with me and following me in my videos. And thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.